Okay, so anseo tá na focail tá going aniu. So anseo tá mála scoile. So cad é mála scoile? So seo é mála scoile. So mála scoile. Okay? Agus leabhar. Cad é leabhar? So tá is go gach in a cad é leabhar. So sin é leabhar, right? Sin é leabhar. So leabhar. Okay, cópleabhar. Cad é cópleabhar? So tá cópleabhar anseo. So scríb tú isteach sa cópleabhar. Okay, peann. So cad é peann? Bhfuil éon peann agam? Níl éon peann agam inis. Ach, peann, right? So peann anseo. Peann, okay? So sin peann. Agus cad é peann luaí? So peann luaí is a pencil, right? So níl an rud seo peann luaí mar tá ink isteach sa peann, right? So there's ink in it, so it can't be a pencil. Okay, crayon. So dach tú le crayon. So dach tú le crayon. So you colour with this, right? So what is it? A crayon. Realoir. So we had this before. We should know exactly what a realoir is. So realoir is a ruler, ruler, isn't it? Perfect, there it is. Biror. We've had all these before as well. We should all know these. Biror is a, what is it? Okay. Scrishon. Cad é sin? Scrishon. Okay, cad é sin? So nor dhearar tú ein botún, we make a mistake, use this. Buscalone. So cuir tú de lón sa buscalone. So buscalone. Ceapara. Cad é ceapara? So sin ceapara. So dic gach in a ceapara ag amlón. Agus juck. So juck. Juck, right? So sin juck. So arish. So mála scoile. So mála scoile. Leabhar. Okay. Cópleabhar. Right? We've peann. Oh, call it peann. Tá peann luaí anseo. Crayon. Realoir. Biror. Scrishon. Buscalone. Ceapara. Juck. Okay? Agus is ige cad tá le déanta againn, so you know what you have to do. So cuir an céad litre seach. So put the first letter in. Agus anseo scríb an focail, alright? So the cópleabhar in your copy. So how cópleabhar tá sé anseo. So write these into your copy. Full words, right? So write the full word into your copy. The gach rud, okay? Gach rud anseo. Agus sin furfa in, try sin, yeah, tá sé ceacht